Hi guys, this is Akshat and welcome to another session of Introduction to Clay Modeling. Today we will paint. But this is a clay modeling course. Why will we paint? Maybe Akshat meant we will paint using clay? Yes, you're absolutely right. Today we will take our polymer clay and we will paint a beautiful scenery from it. So let's get started. To make the scenery, we will need this clay and the roller and the parchment paper. In my scenery, I want the layer of dark blue, light pink and white. So let's take small amount of each. Let's use a roller and roll these out. To create the effect of blending, we'll need to put them like this and roll it again. So this is how the blending looks. It has come from light pink to light blue and dark blue, and it has given a very nice wavy shape. Now let's use a circular cutter. I want this piece. Use the paper cutter and cut the excess off. Now let's add the mirror effect to replicate the lake. For that, I have taken this light pink, blue and dark blue. So we'll place it over here like this, and then let's cut it in half and use the other half over here to create the mirror effect. Let's use a ruler to cut it. Let's add our little sun over here. Let's make the mountain by rolling these three together. This is how the scenery looks. Now let's add the tree over here. So this is how it looks. Now let's add the purple, pink and white clay to make the flowers. This is how it looks. Now let's bake it in the oven. I hope you guys like this activity. If you did, you know what to do. I know you will like it, you will share it and you will comment your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next activity where we will make this amazing clay mural. So stay tuned to What's Your Hobby?